Hello po sa Team Bahay. Sa mga nanonood dyan sa bahay, thank you so much for joining us and thank you so much for your time.
Miss Belle, may mga bumiyahe to be here with you.
Grabe, you know what? I was checking Twitter before akong pumunta dito and kanina pa kayo nagta-Twitter party, no? So thank you so much. Salamat po sa pagbiyahe and thank you so much for your time.
We are so happy that you are here. Kaway tayo sa lahat ng floors.
Hi po! Hi po! Hi tayo sa lahat. Hello! Hi po! Hello!
So, Miss Belle, we just want to know, how does it feel to be here performing for the Davaoenos this time, especially after last year's Light Up Shine Empowerment event in Cebu with Juicy Cologne naman?
Yes. Actually, Cebu was so fun. But you know, here in Davao, it's always a pleasure to be back. And I just want to thank everyone. Thank you so much for your warm welcome. Grabe. Ang tagal ko kayong hindi nakita. Diba? Maraming salamat po talaga.
So, of course, welcome back to Davao, no?
Okay.
So we want to show you how beautiful our set is, oh, diba? With giant flowers, beautiful colors that match our brand. Now, over the years, Juicy Cologne has inspired self-confidence and, of course, self-expression. How has Juicy Cologne empowered you personally?
Ooh. I think with our scent, of course, it's a way to represent ourselves, diba? And it's a way for us to express. And I think when I smell good, I feel good, and I feel like I'm really confident. So that's how it helped me empower myself, of course.
That is so, so nice. And ngayon naman, what's your message to all the fans who have supported both you and Juicy Cologne on this incredible journey?
Thank you so much, guys. Maraming salamat. You know, I'm so happy and grateful to be able to promote a brand that I truly believe in. Now na ngayon, Women's Month pa,
Yes,
diba?
of
It's a
course.
brand that really uplifts us women. So thank you so much to Juicy for that amazing advocacy, of course. And you guys are so amazing. Thank you so much. Grabe, iba sa inyo bumahe pa. And I wouldn't be here, I wouldn't be where I am now without you. And I'll always be grateful for it.
Aw, that is so sweet and so touching. And now,
Hello pa.
in one word, how would you describe the energy of today's event?
Very sweet.
Oh, so sweet,
Sweet,
though,
yeah.
guys. That is so nice to know. And you smell very sweet right now. And you also look like a very beautiful flower.
Feeling
Oh,
ko
diba?
lalapitan na po ako ng mga bubuyo.
Mga bubuyo,
Joke lang.
tama. That is so true. And finally, what's one thing that you want everyone here to take away from today's Light Up Shine event?
I think the takeaway here is that you should believe in yourself and never doubt who you are. Never doubt whatever the world throws at you. Just believe in yourself, and you have a long way ahead of you, and malaki pang mararating mo. Yes.
And
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Palakpakan, ladies and gentlemen. You're very beautiful, Belle Mariano. Maraming salamat. You heard that, guys? Do not be afraid to let your sweetness shine. With that, let's keep the momentum going and play a game with Belle.
Ooh.
So our game is called Do Not Touch the Color. Uy! Do Not Touch the Color, Juicy Cologne Scent Edition. I am so sorry.
It's okay. Okay, I'm so excited.
All right, so we have here some of Belle's very excited fans. Hello! Ready na ba kayong maglaro?
Ready na? Ready? Okay, game. Yes, the game is simple lang naman. Here are the mechanics. Players will be divided into 5 teams.
Yes. So, 2 teams siya of 5. So, tiglima-lima silang magkakasama. And then, Belle will announce a Juicy Cologne scent tied to a color. So, our scents, Miss Belle, are Angel's Bliss, which is pink.
Yes, Orange Twist, orange. Sweet Delights, red. Dreamsicle, purple. Sprightly Sprinkle Green, and Icy-licious Blue.
So for the fans na hindi nakakakita, nandito na kasi siya sa stage, di ba? So ang gagawin nila is when Miss Belle says the color or the scent, yun yung hindi nila aapakan.
Challenging.
So, challenge siya.
Yes.
Di ba? Kasi akala mo kung ano yung maririnig mo, dun ka pupunta. Yun pala, yun yung iiwasan mo. Alright. So, each time a new scent is called, players must move to a different scent without repeating the same one. If a player steps on the announced scent, they're out for that round. Now, the team with the most players still in by the final round will win. Belle, are you ready?
Yes! Are you guys ready? I think we should be asking our players. Are you guys ready? Yes,
All
we're
right,
ready na.
so let's have our players come and join us here on stage.
Are you guys ready?
Alright, so group 1, ilan po kayo? 5, tama po ba? And group 2, okay? So guys, ang ating colors,
Yes.
mula sa taas, pink tsaka purple. Nasa gitna po, orange at green. Nasa baba po, red at blue. Baka lang ay mamalikmata sila, Miss Belle, because our lights are quite pink. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, makinig po kayo kay Belle. She will be the one who will pick the colors out.
Okay. Game? No. Ang mechanics dito is kung ano yung sabihin kong color, yun yung dapat hindi tapakan.
Hindi aapakan.
Unless gusto nyong yun yung tapakan nyo, mas challenging. Joke lang. Pwede naman, mas mahirap.
Okay.
Game?
I believe this is 1 by 1. Tama ba?
Is it 1 by 1?
Yes. Per player or all 5? All 5? All 5? All 5 players sabay. 1 by 1. 1 by 1. Sige nga, trial round
Okay,
tayo.
let's try.
Trial round tayo. Okay, sino ang unang player nyo? First play, yung pinakamalapit kay Belle ang first, pinakamalapit sa akin ang first. Okay, the 4, backward muna tayo. Belle, call out the first color that they should not touch. Ready?
Sprightly sprinkle.
Uy, mabilis dapat. Mabilis. Pero tama. So far, guys, naiwasan po nila si Sprightly Sprinkle. Alright? Okay. Hindi na to trial, guys, ha? Alis tayo. 3, 2, 1.
Icy-licious. Okay.
Next player,
player.
number 2.
For you, dreamsicle.
Okay. Survive pa sila. Okay.
Game?
Yes.
Sweet delights.
Ay! Hapit. Malapit na yun, ma'am.
Malapit na.
Pero
Buti ka
pasok
na.
pa rin. Alright. Next player.
Orange twist. Tingnan natin
Okay.
kung maligaw pa kayo sa orange twist talaga.
Survive pa sila. Okay, next.
Okay. For last one. Angel's Bliss.
Yun. Kahit naka-heel si ma'am, kaya niya pa rin
Yes.
talunin. Naku, paano ba yan at nag-survive po silang lahat?
Yeah.
It seems like magaling na magaling ang mga fans nila. They seem to be very, very good at this game. Let's have another round. One more round. Give me your best player. Diba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, ganito.
By 5. I think the game is by 5. All of you guys all together. So I think that's where the challenge comes. Kasi you're not allowed to step on the scent, okay?
Alright, so 5 kayo ay aapak sa tarpaulin natin at dapat yung tinawag ni Belle ang hindi nyo aapakan. Ewan ko na lang kung magtutulakan kayo, pero please be kind to each other. Ladies, are you ready?
Game.
3, 2, 1.
Sweet Delights.
Ay! Walang nakaapak. Good
Ah.
job!
Ah. Okay. Are we ready for our next?
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Dreamsicle.
Ay. At dahil
Dreamsicle.
hindi mo narinig, ay
Ah!
napaakan nila. Congratulations to Team 2! Kayo ang nanalo ng ating prize. Ano ang inyong prize? Very, very luckily,
lang yan.
kayo ay
Okay
nanalo
lang yan.
ng Juicy Gift Packs. Thank you so much, Team 1. Maraming salamat po.